Supreme Court of India has made a big decision. It's asked Delhi and nearby areas to remove all stray dogs from streets and public places and place them in shelters within 8 weeks. This ruling comes after many serious incidents of dog attacks, especially on children. Some of these attacks even led to deadly rabies infections. In this video, I'll break down what Delhi can learn from countries like Bhutan and the Netherlands in handling this sensitive issue. I'm Vishal Upadhyay and you're watching India TV. Now let's take a look at what the Supreme Court said. The court ordered all strays in Delhi must be picked up and taken to proper shelters. A 24/7 animal helpline must be set up within a week. People should not be afraid to walk freely on the streets due to dog attacks. Anyone trying to block these efforts will face strict legal action. Once dogs are moved to shelters, they must not be returned to the streets. Now, why sterilization isn't enough? The Delhi government argued that just sterilizing dogs so they cannot reproduce isn't solving the problem, because these dogs can still spread rabies, a deadly virus passed through bites. Now, conflict with existing laws. India's animal birth control rules 2023 say that vaccinated and sterilized dogs must be returned to the same place after treatment to avoid fight between dogs and control disease spread. The Supreme Court's ruling goes against this. Now here comes the big question. What can Delhi learn from other countries? Bhutan's model. Between 2021 and 2023, Bhutan sterilized over 61,000 dogs and vaccinated nearly 59,000 against rabies, all without culling. The Netherlands' success. The Netherlands is known as the first country to have zero stray dogs without killing them. Here is how they did it. Heavy taxes on buying dogs from pet stores, encouraging adoption from shelters. Free sterilization, vaccination and checkups through our CNVR program, collect, neuter, vaccinate, return. Strict laws against animal abuse, a special police force for animal welfare, mass public awareness and support. Today, over 90% of Dutch households own a pet dog and the country hasn't seen a rabies case since 1923. Can it work in Delhi? It's possible, but not without big investments in shelters, vets and staff, public education around adoption and responsible pet care, strong coordination between municipalities and NGOs, laws that actually get enforced on the ground. Stray dog management is not just about safety, it's about health, compassion and smart planning. Countries like Bhutan and the Netherlands have shown that it can be done with patience, resources and community support. So what will Delhi choose? Let us know in the comments below. Till then, keep watching India TV for all the latest updates.